Let's start the class. Clear? Last this teaching. Now I'll ask question. Everybody, camera off. Now, Banti, what is the value of E? Do you know?
Sir, equals to mc square.
What nonsense! Confusing physics with maths? Where is Arya? Rectify it.
Sir, the irrational number E is generally approximated to 2.7188. It is the triple base of the natural logarithm.
Okay. Enough. Banti, use your common sense. Learn something from him. Next question. Say Pythagoras theorem. Lucky?
Yes, sir. Hippopotamus square is equal to height square plus base square. Am I correct, sir? Sir.
My God. Nothing to say. It's better if you shut your mouth. Minal, answer this question.
This is on the text that I'm unable to do the class because I'm sleepy. No, because something first ended.
What to do with these thrones? Maybe I have failed in making the class interesting. Leave it. Now, Monica, what is the value of log?
Such a sweet question, sir. This is my dog, Loggy. Loggy, say hello to my classmates and teacher dear. Hello. He's so sweet, sir. It's so cute.
I really don't have anything to say. Let's stop the class. Now, Rami. Don't you know how to study a clock? Any idea about the time?
So sorry, sir.
No sorry. Say value pi.
Yesterday my father bought 3 pies for me, but I had 4 since I had stolen from my youngest brother's plate. By the way, sir, how did you know about all this?
You all have crossed my limit of tolerance. Let's end the class here. Just horrendous.
Hey, that. Good morning, students. Good morning, students.
Good morning, miss.
I have only received dance videos from Raja, Rani, Rajesh and Preeti. What about others? Didn't you understand the steps properly?
Well, ma'am, yesterday while playing with my sister, I accidentally collided with the wall, and from then I'm having a very low back pain.
Oof. Now, Monica, what about you? Give your exam now.
I've turned on. Yes, I can see.
Well done. Keep it up. Now where is Rami?
Ma'am, she is not there in the meeting. Although she was present in the first class, now she has texted in the group that she is out of station.
Now, where is our Dre demon of the class? Anyway, I had choked a hand gesture last night, but it seems like you guys don't bother in my class. Okay, let's stop the class here now.
Today I shall start with this chapter. First, sent a message. Trigona Lok sir. Hello ma'am. I really don't know how to express my deep regret for their indifference to studies. Nowadays they have given up revising their lessons at home. They are now making nonsensical comments when asked any question. Sometimes I blame myself for all these and become depressed. I will be thankful to you if you please look into the matter. I am sending the screenshots and screen recordings that I have managed to capture in the class. Hope you can understand my dissatisfaction in their work. What can be done with them? I have nothing to say. What shall I do now? I must say sorry on behalf of them. I have no option left. I understand your feelings, sir, and I will try to make them understand your frustration in some way or the other.
Hello, ma'am. What happened to your class? Like, they were not such inattentive in the last year, but now they're taking a great advantage of this online class and escaping my class like a hook out in crook. This has disgraced me a lot. All my efforts of teaching them the classical dance are going in vain, no doubt. I will be happy if you please read their lame excuses and come up with your own decision. Thank you.
What else I will do for them? They are so annoying.
Good afternoon, students. I regret to inform you that today I shall not be able to take your class. For the last few days, it has been brought to my notice that students of my class are not paying due attention during online classes. The subject teachers who are working days in and days out with the spirit of imparting lessons to all of you have ended in smoke. Your indifference to studies disheartens us to a great extent. In brief, a yawning gap is being created between our efforts and your shimmering willingness. In reality, you are digging your own grave. Your reluctance to study at this age will delay your progress in future, and your weak base will not be able to withstand the load of higher education. We, the teachers, the man-makers of the society, never want the bright, gleaming star inside every one of you to extinguish at such an initial stage. We are always there for you in well and woo. Only your kind assistance and cooperation is required to bridge the vacuum between you and us. If I am unable to convey our intense exasperation through this note to all of you, sorry, I am undone. We will continue our English class after everyone takes an oath to attend the class with rapt attention. Your respected class teacher, Miss Maria Williams.
Teachers are the engineers of the minds.
A teacher plants the seed of knowledge,
Sprinkles them with love,
and patiently nurtures them
till their growth to produce tomorrow's dreams.
They are the directors of life.
So, never undermine a teacher.
Today's reluctance to studies will make you suffer in future.
Remember, teaching is the profession that teaches all other professions.